Today is 21st December 2025. This end of the year, West Bengal Voluntary Blood Donors Forum and Federation of Blood Donor Organization of India is very much grateful with the support of Dr. Sunil Bhatt, the Vice Chairman of the Narayana Group of Hospital, Bangalore. And today we are in Narayana Group of Hospital, which is called as the R.N. Tagore Hospital. Today the HLA testing is going on. We have seen that lot of thousands people, patients are coming from all around the state of West Bengal from different districts for a free HLA test. And these HLA matching patients will get the free bone marrow transplantation by the eminent surgeon, hemato-oncologist Dr. Sunil Bhatt, who is the Vice Chairman of the Narayana Group of Hospital, and today he is the chief guest. And Dr. Sunil Bhatt is the pioneer man who inspired us. Our West Bengal Voluntary Blood Donors Forum, our General Secretary Nurul Islam is with me, and I am Secretary General of the Federation of Blood Donor Organization of India. This is the first time for the bone marrow transplantation, supported by the Coal India Limited and Prime Minister's Relief Fund, free of cost. This HLA test and the fittest final BMT patient will get the surgery free of cost at Bangalore Hospital in Narayana Group of Hospital. Just see our outdoor is going on, how the HLA test is going on. With this, all the after filling up the forms, the thalassemic parents with their children, they are waiting for the HLA test. This is Narayana Group of Hospital, which is called as the R.N. Tagore Hospital in Mukundapur, West Bengal, Calcutta. The patients, parents is waiting with the children. If HLA test is being matched, then the BMT bone marrow transplantation. Dr. Sunil Bhatt, the eminent hemato-oncologist of Narayana Group of Hospital, Bangalore, today he is with us. He will be coming, and it's a great achievement for the West Bengal, for the thalassemia-free India. চেঁচামেচি করবেন না, বসে যান। Patient motivation.
So it is first of all we are doing it is for the first time we are doing here in R.N. Tagore, and we are very much feeling happy that we are able to help people in this way. It is an HLA typing free camp which we are doing it for all thalassemic patients who have come here today. It is a great achievement for R.N. Tagore as a whole, where we are doing it for the first time.
And I appreciate Dr. Devi Shetty. That time, and he was through Dr. Sunil Bhatt. He phoned me, and that opportunity we have got. That is the very good achievement for West Bengal state. Actually, bone marrow transplantation is a distant dream for the poor patient, and it is free of cost. Coal India Limited is the sponsor, Prime Minister's Relief Fund, and this BMT will be done by Dr. Sunil Bhatt, the eminent hemato-oncologist in India now, and he is the what I can tell. 10th and 11th there is Hyderabad, there is the conference. He is now the face of this thalassemia free India. By 2030, India should be thalassemia free. One side the iron chelation, and we are arranging the RBC for the transfusion and the iron chelation. And now the BMT has modernized, and BMT is coming through the government support for the poor patient also. So thanks to
Thank you
Narayana
to all
Group
of you
Hospital.
for coming and giving your presence here. That's a big thank. And please, wherever you find any thalassemia patient in your society and all, there are a lot of people like him who can really help them out. So let the thing goes to everybody that thalassemia can be cured if it can be treated in the right time. Thank you. Thank you.